Hello friends, how a bill is passed. Bill is nothing but the state assembly would like to implement a new law. They will pass a bill in the legislative council as well as an assembly and send it to the governor. The governor has to affix his assent for that. That means he has to approve the bill. If he is approving the bill, then it will go to the President of India and Her Excellency has to approve the bill. Then once the bill is approved, it will become an act. So it will become a state act. In the similar way, if the union government wants to pass a bill, first of all they'll get it approved by both the houses of the parliament, that is the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha. Once both the bills are approved, it will be sent to Her Excellency the President of India, and she will be affixing her assent or approving the bill. Then it will become an act. So if the governor or the president are not giving their approval, they are not giving their assent, then that bill will be either sent it back or to the respective governments, or else it can be kept in abeyance or whatever. It can also be referred to the Supreme Court of India. If they need some kind of legal assistance, then it can be referred. But most of the times, in the case of governors, they will either sit on it or else they will refer it to the President of India or their return. So one such cases has recently been held by the Honorable Supreme Court of India has said in a landmark judgment that the governors do not have any rights to sit on the bill, because it is the populist governments which are elected by the people, so have to be respected and their decisions have to be respected. So this has happened in the Tamil Nadu case, and the governor has been reprimanded. And now that there is another bill which has now become an act, that is the Waqf Board Amendment Act now, which is for the consideration. Though the President of India, Her Excellency, has given the consent, it is still it is being challenged in the Honorable Supreme Court of India under Article 32 read with 131. And now the Supreme Court is adjudicating this matter and likely to keep it in abeyance, that is give a stay on it or suspend the act. So such kind of omnibus powers are vested in the Supreme Court of India. Parliament or state cannot, the assembly and the council, they cannot arbitrarily pass bills and which are against the interests of the public at large. So always we can challenge them in the appropriate courts of law. If it is a state bill, you can challenge in the high courts. If it's a central act, you can challenge in the Supreme Court. Thank you, my dear friends.